Adding a video background in Wix. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to add a video background on Wix. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, what you want to do is to look for a section or a page in your website in where you want to add a video background. So for example, I want to choose this section over here, so I'll just click on it, and then there will be an option right here that will allow us to change our background. So just click on that. And then from here, you can either choose to have a colored background, an image background, or a video background. So for me, I'll just choose a video background. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So you can upload your own media just by clicking on upload media over here, or you can choose the added videos that Wix has right here. So feel free to customize the section out. But for me, I'll just search up some uploaded videos in here from Wix. So as an example, I'll choose this video right here. I'll just click on it and then just click on change background over here at the bottom, and then there you go, our background has now been changed. So to play your background, just click on this play button right here, and then after that the video will now play in your background, and then there you go. And then that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add a video background on Wix. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.